Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will discuss a new topic under fiction and non-fiction, and the topic is True Love. It is a short story by Isaac Asimov. Here is the picture as well as time period of the writer, which is 1920 to 1992, and a short introduction of the writer. By birth, he was a Russian writer, and afterwards, so far as his education and his professional life was concerned, he had to move towards United States, and he died over there in 1992. So we can call him an American writer and a professor of biochemistry at Boston University. He was considered one of the big three science fiction writers, along with Robert A. Heinlein and Arthur C. Clarke. So, this was a triangle which was based on Robert A. Heinlein and Arthur C. Clarke and then Isaac Asimov. These three scientists revolutionized the world with the help of their innovative ideas, as well as the ideas which were also practical and based on some experimentation and then their results. Isaac Asimov is a prolific writer, and he wrote or edited more than 500 books. And it is a good title on the part of a writer that he edited as well as he had written more than 500 books. What type of this story is? It is a short story. I mean, True Love is a short story. It is a science fiction. It is based on some scientific and technological experimentation as well as its result. It was published in February 1977, and the main theme of this story is technology as well as its uses. As you know that we people are living in the age of science and technology, and now technology is more advanced as compared to the ages before, and it is at its peak now that new things, new and new gadgets are introduced in the field of technology, and all these gadgets are serving humanity. But along with this service, there are some drawbacks, there are some demerits of technology as well. If we are not completely aware about the usage of any gadget, we will be able to get different types of loss, and that will be based on psychological, emotional, as well as material loss. So the story will give us the idea about the merits, advantages, benefits, and demerits, disadvantages of technology. Another part of this story is a comparison of human brain and computer. In your previous classes, you people must have read about the comparison of human mind as well as a computer, because there was a lesson in any metric or interclass which was based on this comparison. And different people, different thinkers thought that computer is quite similar to human brain. But students, keep one thing in your mind, that computer is fallible. It is always fallible because it is made by man. We can say that computer is man made machine, whereas human brain is created by Allah Almighty, and it is coded by Allah Almighty, whereas computer is all the time programmed and coded by a man, and man is always filled with mistakes, with errors. So computer is fallible, and we commit many mistakes by not handling the computer in a proper way. uh, Another part of the story is based on shaping and reshaping a future of human beings through technology. The technology is helping all the time the human beings in revolutionizing the world, in introducing different gadgets, in introducing useful tools which can cover our different assignments, our different tasks within minutes and within seconds, as compared to do all those things manually in days and months as well. Then there is an very significant role, which is author's point of view, and he has given us the idea of perfecting a true love. The writer is in search of true love, and he is going to search that particular true love with the help of computer. Now, a brief summary or plot summary of this story. The story True Love is about a computer scientist, and his name is Milton Davidson, uh, who understands more about computers than anyone else or anything else in the world. He has creates an experimental computer which he calls Joe. So, two most important characters, Milton Davidson, who is the scientist, and the computer he has created, that is Joe. Milton Davidson, who is a scientist, decides that he has put a lot of work into making computers that help other people, but they never help him. As a result, Milton decides he will use Joe to find his perfect woman and true love. When he was not able to get a perfect woman as a true love in his life, he tried to get help from computer, as he was disappointed that people didn't help him in searching that perfect woman who would be considered as a true love. There is a conflict in the story, as you know that conflict is a main part of the story, and without introducing conflict, the story or the plot of the story can't progress. Milton Davidson is trying to find his ideal partner. This is the conflict, how to find it out. To do this, he prepares a special computer program to run on Multivac, which he calls Joe. Joe is another name of the computer. The first name of the computer is Multivac, which has access to databases covering the entire populace of the world. The scientist hopes that Joe will find him his ideal match based on physical parameters as supplied. All the qualities, all the characteristics which the scientist Milton Davidson introduced to Joe related to a perfect woman or a true love, he was hopeful that Joe will help him in finding that particular woman. What is the main theme of the story? The main theme of the story, True Love, is technology. How technology is shaping or reshaping or helping us. How technology is disappointing us. How we are computer illiterate and we are creating different problems for us when we are not going to take any interest in handling technology or computers. Usefulness of technology as well as its dangers is also the sub theme of the story. This theme is enhanced through the motive of searching for true love. Through this story, the author shows that technology is double-edged sword. It can both help us and work against us if we don't know how to use it properly. Who are the major characters? There are two major characters. Number one is Milton Davidson, a computer scientist or a programmer that is the best in his field, and he is looking for true love in his life, and he wants to have a perfect woman. Another major character is Joe, an advanced computer that can speak, is capable of learning. Computer is able to speak, able to learn, and it is being used to find the true love for Milton. Here is the list of all the characters, major and minor: Joe, Milton Davidson, Charity Jones, and then the 234 women which Joe searched out for Milton Davidson in the name of true love. What is the flow of the story? Joe was Milton's private computer, and Joe can understand more about computers than anyone in the world. The experimental model. It is an experimental model as it has been programmed by Milton Davidson according to his desires and hopes. He was made speak better than any other computers can. He is used for Joe here because Milton Davidson has all the time talked to Joe and he has shared everything with Joe. So we can say that according to writer, this computer can be called as a human character for the writer as well as the scientist only. Okay, here is a definition of the computer which you must understand. As you know that your story is based on computers and the main theme is technology, so you must understand what computer is. A computer is a programmable machine. The two principal characteristics of a computer are: it responds to a specific set of instructions in a well defined manner, and it can execute a pre recorded list of instructions, which is called a program. So keep this thing in your mind that all the time computer is programmed. It has been given a set of instructions which must be followed by the computer. Otherwise, the computer will stop working if it is not being instructed well. What is a story in a nutshell? Or how can we explain the story briefly? Here are some points which will help you a lot in understanding the complete text of the story. Milton understands more about computers than anyone else in the world, so he creates an experimental computer. Milton, the scientist, calls the computer Joe. Milton teaches the computer to speak based after the way the human brain works. Milton decides to use Joe for his personal use of finding a perfect girl for himself and ultimately true love. He has Joe to eliminate matches by specific criteria like IQ and height. Out of the entire world, 235 are still available. According to the characteristics related to IQ as well as height of women, which were provided by Milton, there were 235 women in the world who were available according to that standard, and others were eliminated by Joe. Milton knows he cannot interview 235 women, so he brings in pictures of models he likes and has Joe look for similar characteristics in the women. Eight are a match. Further, he thought that he was unable to interview all these 235 women, so he again sought help from Joe, and he provided the pictures of models, and there were only eight who were a perfect match. Milton has Joe illegally transferred the women to work with him one at a time. He decides none of them are his ideal match or true love. Joe says it's because Milton is not their ideal match. So it is a thing that when Milton was all the time rejecting women on the basis of the characteristics which he has told earlier to Joe, there were also some women who rejected Milton because they were also not going to find all those qualities which they had in their mind. Milton decides he must also be the ideal for the women and looks are not the important factor. This is very important point of view, students, that which you must keep in your mind all the time, that looks are not the important factor. Means first impression is not at all the last impression all the time. We must give some time to anybody else and we must observe him or her if we are going to have some sort of experiment. Milton has Joe learn everything about himself and then illegally set up the remaining 2 to 7 women from the original list for psychiatric evaluations. Now he wanted to test the ladies on psychological basis, how these women were psychologically strong or not. Joe is constantly growing or becoming more and more like Milton as Milton adjusts you to match me better and better. You get to think more like me so you understand me better. This is done so Joe will be able to find a better true love match for Milton. The sentences which have been written in inverted commas, these are the textual references, and you is Joe used for Joe here. So you must understand this textual reference according to the parameter which has been given to Joe by Milton. Joe states that he and Milton are thinking almost identical now. Even his speech has become like Milton. While working on that machine, Milton has coded each and every thought, each and everything related to his personality, his life, his mentality, and his emotions to Joe. Now, Joe is going to replace Milton in this way when everything is being transferred. Joe finds Milton's perfect match. Joe has Milton taken to jail for an illegal action he did 10 years ago. Now, when Milton has told each and everything to Joe, Joe has created a sort of punishment for Milton, for which he did something illegal 10 years ago. Joe plans on telling the perfect match he loves her. What do looks matter when our personalities will resonate? So this is very important, that when personalities are resonating each other, what is the factor of the looks of any personality? Joe has been given special abilities like transferring people by Milton. This allows Joe to break rules that are programmed into himself. Milton thinks true love is abstract. Maybe Isaac Asimov felt the same way. As Milton is the mouthpiece of Isaac Asimov, who is the writer or the scientist, and he has written the story on the base of true love, which was impossible according to him. And so far as you people have read so many other short stories as well as novels, there is really lacking in true love, that people are not at all truly in love with each other. Most of the time they are going to think about the personality or the match materially, how much that person is being able to help him materially or financially. Milton's first attempts at finding the ideal girl failed because they were not based on personality, they were based on some superficial things. Uh, I'm going to stop my lecture over here, and you all are supposed to listen to my lecture carefully, write down all the important points, and you may ask if you have any query. Thank you very much. I'll be here again with analysis tomorrow, inshallah.